Why are JavaScript function arguments undefined when missing? Imagine you write a function to greet someone but forget to give it a name. When you call that function, it might not work as expected. Why does that happen? Let's find out. In JavaScript, when you create a function with certain parameters, you can call it with fewer arguments than you defined. If you don't pass enough arguments, JavaScript automatically sets the missing ones to a special value called undefined. This is built into how JavaScript handles functions. It does not throw an error or stop working. Instead, it just assigns undefined to any parameter that doesn't get a value during the call. For example, if you have a function with 3 parameters but only give it to arguments, the third parameter will be undefined. This applies no matter where the missing argument is in the list. The language simply leaves it as undefined. This design makes functions flexible. You can write functions that work with optional inputs. For instance, if an argument is missing, your code can check if it's undefined and decide what to do next. The value undefined is a primitive in JavaScript. It shows that no value was provided for that parameter. This is different from null, which means you intentionally set something to be empty. When a parameter is undefined, it signals that the caller did not give a value for it. This helps you write functions that can handle missing inputs gracefully. You can also set default values for parameters directly in the function definition. This means if an argument is missing, the default value will be used instead of undefined. For example, you could set a default greeting message if no name is provided. This feature makes your functions more robust and easier to work with. Understanding why arguments are undefined when missing helps you avoid bugs and write better code. You can check if an argument is undefined and then decide whether to assign a default value or throw an error. This approach is especially useful in web development, where functions often need to handle many different input scenarios. So, next time you see an argument missing and the value is undefined, now you know it's just JavaScript's way of saying no value was given.